Hi guys, welcome back to Stacey's Bite. This is my sister's YouTube channel and I'm her brother. And today we're going to be making Pina Colada ice lollies. And as you can see, we've got everything chopped up as the pineapple and the coconut. Got ginger. We've chopped the ginger and made it into a liquid. And we've got lemon. And we've got coconut water and sugar. And more coconuts here, and we've got honey, and we've got our blending stuff over here ready, and we've also got the popsicles over here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the pineapple inside the jar. That should be enough. And now we're going to add our coconut water. Don't want to add too much. A little bit more. That should be okay. Then we're going to add our ginger. And then our lime. And then we're going to add our sugar. Concoction ready, I'm going to put the lid on and blend it. Just make sure it's... If this is too thick, we're going to add a little bit of water so that it can be more smooth. So, go in, going to switch on our blender. And now... So now we've got a nice pina colada. Just going to open it. Now I'm going to get a sieve and a bowl so that we can get the sieve. We're going to sieve it. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in. Keep sieving. If you don't want to use that, we could just go like that. Okay, now we're going to sieve it again. So that's third time. So still a little bit of bits in it. So just gonna pour. Slowly. Two more left. We're gonna put the popsicles on a stand to make sure it's on properly as well. If you don't have this at home, you can just get a cup, or you can get a cup and like put a stick in it between four. Guys, this is what the results are for now, and we're gonna freeze it. We're gonna freeze it, and we're gonna see how it tastes. See you guys in Stacey's Bites next video. Bye.